This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Beautiful and updated. Move-in ready. Desirable area. Open floor plan, flowing with natural light. Entertainer's delight. New carpet, fresh paint. New light fixtures and door hardware. Updated and open GR West/gas fireplace, wood floors and eat-in kitchen. Formal open living room/dining room. The majestic main bedroom retreat has abundant space for a king-size bed/sitting area. Big walk-in closet. Spa-like bath includes a jetted tub, dual sink vanity, separate shower, and water closet. Main floor living room. Big 2-car garage. Private Bkyd that backs up and our side of home to protected tree area. 0.48 acre lot and even a deck. InGR Sprinkler, security system.